When designing reliable digital systems, controlling how signals are driven is just as important as the logic itself, and that's where the SN74LVC1G07DBVRG4 comes in. This is the semiconductor developed by Texas Instruments. Its single buffer with an open drain output gives engineers a flexible and dependable way to manage signal lines. Unlike standard push-pull outputs, this device features an open drain configuration. That means it can pull the output low, but requires an external pull-up resistor to drive the signal high. This simple difference unlocks powerful use cases, like level shifting, wired and configurations, and safely interfacing between different voltage domains. Operating over a wide voltage range from 1.65 volts to 5.5 volts, the device integrates easily into both low-power and standard logic systems. Its inputs are designed to be overvoltage tolerant, allowing them to accept higher input voltages without damaging the device, making it especially useful in mixed voltage environments. Performance is another key advantage. With fast switching speeds and low propagation delay, this buffer ensures that signals remain clean and responsive, even in high-speed applications. At the same time, it maintains low power consumption, supporting efficient system design. Packaged in a compact SOT23 form factor, it's ideal for space-constrained applications such as embedded systems, industrial controls, and portable electronics. In today's complex electronics landscape, the device provides a simple yet powerful solution, delivering flexible signal control, reliable performance, and the versatility engineers need to build robust designs.